This is the letter A. This is the lowercase a. The letter A makes the ah sound, like in the word apple. The letter A. See you soon.
Trace the lowercase letter A. Great! You traced the letter A.
This is the letter B. This is the lowercase b. And the letter B makes the b sound, like in the word ball.
Trace the lowercase letter B. Great! You traced the letter B.
Oh, hi there. This is the letter C. This is the lowercase c. The letter C makes the k sound, like in the word cat. The letter C. See you later.
Trace the lowercase letter C. Great! You traced the letter
D. And this is the lowercase d. D makes the d sound, like in the word duck. That's the letter D.
Trace the lowercase letter D. Great! You traced the letter D.
This is the letter E. And this is the lowercase e. E makes the eh sound, like in the word egg. Whoa! The letter E.
Trace the lowercase letter E. Great! You traced the letter E.
This is the letter F. This is the lowercase f. And the letter F makes the f sound, like in the word frog. Those are funny frogs.
Trace the lowercase letter F. Great! You traced the letter F.
This is the letter G. This is the lowercase g. G makes the g sound, like in the word grapes. G as in grapes.
Trace the lowercase letter G. Great! You traced the letter G.
This is the letter H. This is the lowercase h. H makes the h sound, like in the word horse. This is my favorite part. H as in horse.
Trace the lowercase letter H. Great! You traced the letter H.
This is the letter I. This is the lowercase I. The letter I makes the I sound, like in the word igloo. It's cozy in here. The letter I.
Trace the lowercase letter I. Great! You traced the letter I.
We're having a picnic. This is the letter J. And this is the lowercase j. J makes the j sound, like in the word jam.
Trace the lowercase letter J. Great! You traced the letter J.
Let's learn a letter. This is the letter K. And this is the lowercase k. K makes the k sound, like in the word kite. Hooray for the letter K!
Trace the lowercase letter K. Great! You traced the letter K.
This is the letter L, and this is the lowercase l. L makes the ol sound, like in the word lion. The letter L.
Trace the lowercase letter L. Great! You traced the letter L.
Hello! This is the letter M. This is the lowercase m. The letter M makes the sound, like in the word milk. The letter M. Bye.
Trace the lowercase letter M. Great! You traced the letter M.
This is the letter N, and this is the lowercase n. N makes the sound. Oh, like in the word noodles. N as in noodles.
Trace the lowercase letter N. Great! You traced the letter N.
This is the letter O, and this is the lowercase o. And the letter O makes the sound, like in the word octopus. It's a pool party! The letter O!
Trace the lowercase letter O. Great! You traced the letter O.
Let's learn a letter while we wait for snack time. This is the letter P. This is the lowercase p. The letter P makes the p sound, like in the word pizza. Yummy! The letter P.
Trace the lowercase letter P. Great! You traced the letter P.
This is the letter Q. And this is the lowercase q. Q makes the qu sound, like in the word queen. Q as in Queen Rhea.
Trace the lowercase letter Q. Great! You traced the letter Q.
This is the letter R. This is the lowercase r. The letter R makes the sound, like in the word rat. Oh, why, thank you. The letter R.
Trace the lowercase letter R. Great! You traced the letter R.
This is the letter S. This is the lowercase s. The letter S makes the s sound, like in the word star. Ooh. The letter S. Bye.
Trace the lowercase letter S. Great! You traced the letter S.
Hi there! This is the letter T. This is the lowercase t. The letter T makes the t sound, like in the word truck. The letter T. Bye!
Trace the lowercase letter T. Great! You traced the letter T.
This is the letter U. And this is the lowercase u. U makes the sound, like in the word umbrella. Huh. Just in time. The letter U.
Trace the lowercase letter U. Great! You traced the letter U.
This is the letter V. And this is the lowercase v. V makes the V sound, like in the word violin. Oh, that sounded so beautiful. The letter V.
Trace the lowercase letter V. Great! You traced the letter V.
This is the letter W. And this is the lowercase w. W makes the W sound, like in the word whale. That's the letter W.
Trace the lowercase letter W. Great! You traced the letter W.
This is the letter X. And this is the lowercase x, like in the word X-ray. Oh, check that out! X as in X-ray.
Trace the lowercase letter X. Great! You traced the letter X.
Here is the letter Y. And here is the lowercase y. Y makes the y sound, like in the word yo-yo. Show them, Sandy. Sandy and the letter Y.
Trace the lowercase letter Y. Great! You traced the letter Y.
Z. Z makes the Z sound, like in the word zebra. Z as in zebra.
Trace the lowercase letter Z. Great! You traced the letter Z.